drifting without hurry, here beside the quiet sea. Let the city fade behind us, let the shoreline set us free. There is nowhere else I'd rather be. Monte-Carlo Beach, where the sky falls into blue. Monte-Carlo Beach, every moment feels brand new. Let the sunlight find us, let the whole world disappear. Monte-Carlo Beach, I could stay forever here. Golden shadows cross the terrace, glasses shining in the sun. Little boats become a painting as the afternoon moves on. Every color turns to amber, every sound begins to slow, and the sea keeps softly calling like a song we've always known. Let the evening gather around us, let the warm horizon glow. There is nowhere else we need to go. Monte-Carlo Beach,